That's worse than the sour apple.
It is?
Oh, look at my face. Oh, yeah.
Next.
No, no. What's up, guys? Travis from T-Rizzle Studios. How the heck are you guys?
Did it.
Coming to you with another munchpak.
Tomorrow is the first day of December.
No, a couple more days yet until December. This box really looks
My teacher's coming on December 19th. Every time you get a checkbook.
Yeah, every month you get a booklet saying what's inside.
Mm-hmm. I'm obsessed with these.
Let's actually go in order for a change. Bourbon Jaga Choco Grande Mini Chips. Bite-sized potato chips coated in a generous amount of sweet milk chocolate. The perfect pairing of salty and sweet in every bite. So give me a second to try and find it.
We don't have it.
That's it, right here. We'll try something different for once. Kind of looks like a chip covered in chocolate on the package, anyways. That's literally what it looks like. A chocolate chip covered in chocolate. Not bad.
Would you take this to lunch?
Interesting. Very interesting. Next up is Chew It's Extreme Sour Apple. Really? Did we not learn our mistake from the last munchpak? Really? These taffy-like chews, oh great, they're even taffy. Wonderful. Are an irresistible sour kick to a sweet and last tart green apple flavor from the UK. I don't wanna.
Too bad.
It's got a crocodile in the front. For a second, I thought it was the pig from the Angry Birds. Oh, it's a break your tooth kind. Sha-sha.
Keep it in the quick pocket. No.
Nom, 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 nom. Nom, nom.
Good? Get out. Yes, you give me some.
All yours. Oops.
Serious Travis.
Nah. So as I'm still chewing, I'm gonna be chewing until New Year's. Next up is Tier mammal cookie.
We don't have that.
Traditional, we should have it. It's in a yellow and red package. Well, so much for my idea of going in order. Wait, is this it? Yeah, this is it. Yeah. This is traditional Middle Eastern buttery cookie made with a sweet spiced date, filling
Hi.
filling that will melt in your mouth. It's best enjoyed with a cup of hot tea.
Cup of hot tea.
From
Like British.
United Arab Emirates. Interesting.
It's a mess. It got in my nose. It's a messy
It's
one.
made with dates.
It's a messy one.
It's messy.
Yeah, you can already tell. She used to sing that camera.
Okay. I have to at least try a bite.
Me? Fine.
I can't even open the dang thing.
You're so weak.
I don't want to make a big mess.
Just grab a piece of.
It's the feeling you want to get to. No. No.
Oh, here.
That's worse than the sour apple.
It is.
Oh, look at my face. Oh, dear.
What's next?
No.
Ow.
Ugh.
Oh, is this one?
What is it?
Yes!
Let me see. Ah. Munchpak, you're killing me. These chewy gummy slices have a refreshing tart kiwi flavor and are coated with a generous layer of sugar crystals, so each bite is like finding that perfectly ripe, sweet kiwi.
Ow, you're stepping on my hair. Yeah, so
It actually looks like a kiwi. This is from Spain.
Let's try. Cheers. I'm gonna try the white part. I'm curious.
These people are in Spain. Buh! Uh-uh.
Let me try.
Yeah.
I like kiwi, but I never said I like that kind.
I am not being dramatic for the camera. That was not good. I'm sorry, Spain. That was not good. The next one should be good. Ooh, it should be really good. Pororo churros, chocolate flavor. These delicious churros are baked
Is it this
instead
one?
of fried. Yeah, that's it. Oh, excuse me. I can't even talk. Ugh. Please save the day. This is from South Korea. So it's not a traditional churro. Like it says here, it was actually baked instead of fried.
This looks so good.
It's got a crunch. It's got more of a crunch, sounds like. It looks like a log.
The other one wins. Much bigger on
That's what I call a full counter.
What's next?
Hang on. Wait.
When are we getting to this one?
Did you know United Arab Emirates, Dubai, has the world's longest
Can we do Pikachu next?
driverless metro system?
Can we do Pikachu?
We're getting there, Sam. Just be patient. With more than 50 miles of track.
This one?
You want to try some?
It's a churro.
It's a turtle. You're Mexican. You like churros.
What's next?
Next is Tejado Amijaga honey mustard flavored.
Honey mustard.
Thick croissant potato snack sprinkled with a warm and savory blend of spices.
Is it this?
Nope. It's this day. It's this year. Grounded with the sweetness of honey. From Japan.
Japan!
Japan, man.
Oh, shoot. Shh, ASMR. ASMR.
Let's speed this up a little bit because I only got half battery left.
I don't know if I can open it. Really, you're supposed to open it like chips.
Oh, it smells good. It reminds me of uncooked macaroni. Or snowshoes. You could put these, you could use these as snowshoes. Mmm.
It's like potato chips.
Oh, that's good. That's the best thing so far.
They're like potato chips.
I just can't get over the fact they look like snowshoes.
It's not that good.
I think it's pretty good.
Ooh.
Sony, focus. Come on now. What's next?
Those are actually kind of good. You got me addicted to them. So cute.
Here we go. Latte Pokemon wafer and limited edition sticker. This again is from Japan. 2 wafer biscuits sandwich rich chocolate cream that's sprinkled That is from Japan.
You're not really.
Yeah, I read something off the side here. There's something that's meant from Mexico.
Mexico! They look like those little wafer things.
Oh God, what the hell happened? It's chocolate. Why would you not want to try it?
I found a sticker. Comment down below if you know this. So first is this black thing. Comment down below if you know it. I don't really know much about it. Want another one? Want another one?
Comment below if you know what Pokemon that is.
Want another one? We're kind of getting obsessed with this thing. 100 likes, we'll give this Pokemon to someone.
Okay, next is Cowtails. Real Oreo cookies pieces in a chewy caramel stick, featuring a sweet vanilla cream center. Now all you're missing is the milk. From good old US of A. I haven't seen Cowtails around that often.
Yeah, I don't know what Cowtails are.
They're kind of going out of style. At least I haven't seen them a whole lot. I used to like the original.
Are they like Laffy Taffy?
No.
It tastes like a Tootsie Roll.
Kind of like a softer version of a Tootsie Roll. You might want this one. Moi Bon Hazelnut Bar. Take Ferrero Rocher,
Cowtails.
mold it into a slim, crunchy size of a Kit Kat, and add the hazelnut flavor of Nutella to and you've got a Moi Bon, a delicious and sweet dessert treat from Mexico.
Avocados from Mexico.
Did you know the pyramid of Cholula in Mexico is the largest pyramid in the world, featuring a height of 66 meters and a 400-meter base, making it significantly larger than the pyramids of Giza.
Definitely recommend the Cowtails. They're so good.
That's interesting. Okay, so that must be this one.
They're so good.
Going in order is a little harder.
I still love that. It's like a deep hole.
That is weird. I'm not sure if I like it or not.
Nope.
Yeah, this one should be good. What is this one?
I've been waiting for this one. It's like chocolate cake. Look at the inside of that. Like it's dripping. It's bleeding. Chocolate.
You missed one, that's why. Eddie Pop Cake chocolate flavor. Moist and spongy cake filled with even more thick chocolate sauce than ever before, and topped with a chocolate dressing for a truly decadent snack from Turkey. Gobble gobble. Speaking of turkey, hope you enjoyed the Thanksgiving vlog. If you haven't yet, check it out. God, look at my hair. I'm turning gray again.
It looks
In case you're wondering,
it looks like a blob of soap. It looks like a blob of soap.
Can I take that in the shower and lather up with it?
That's the best chocolate thing yet. You're gonna want to try this. It's a chocolate cake.
I've had better. I've had worse. Okay. We're gonna go to... Ooh, this one sounds good. Ido and Vivit's Okinawa Pineapple Mix Soda. A sweet and refreshing carbonated fruit soda with the flavors of citrusy Japanese milkins, apples, and seasonal pineapples. grown on Ishigaki Islands of Okinawa.
That sounded really weird.
Anyone is from Japan and I brutalized your language, I'm sorry. Not that anybody from Japan is watching my videos, but...
Grab one. Chocolate. Grab first smoke.
Smells good.
No, well, too bad because we are. You have to drink it. Too bad.
You're not talking about this.
It's got more of a tart pineapple taste,
Tastes like a pineapple gummy bear.
almost like a fresh pineapple. I don't hate it, but it's certainly not my favorite.
I'm not a fan at all. Too bad. Let's do our favorite things. My favorite things were the chips, the cowtail, and the chocolate cake.
Well, thanks for watching. If you want your own munch pack, sign up right below.
This
No,
is
we're not gonna
so
do
good.
No, Sam. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you for Countdown to Christmas. Just a few short days.
This baby doo-doo gummies with a little bit of sugar and water. It's one of the best things ever.
See you next time. Peace.
Peace.